guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are, hi, I'm Sydney. Anyways, before we get right into it, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, because it really helps support my channel. And don't forget to follow me on all the socials, you know, Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff. Alright, and for today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be all about zero waste products. So I'm going to share with you guys all of the zero waste products that I use, and even more, like more that I need to buy, and just other things I've found, methods, tips, tricks, all that stuff. So let's get into it and roll the intro and chat. Alright, so jumping right into it. Just a little background if you guys don't know me, don't follow me. I'm super into the environment. I love the environment. I always have. I'm very vocal about it on all my other social media channels and everything, and so I definitely love to just do these kinds of more educational videos here on my YouTube channel. I want to start doing even more. Just because education is power, especially when it comes to the environment, because it's in a dire state and it's terrifying, and people should be taking this so much more seriously. Like, the earth is dying and it literally is terrifying. Anyways, I have another video that I made maybe a year ago all about living eco-friendly and how to recycle and what to recycle and all of that stuff. So if you want to see that, I will leave it at the top of the description box below, so you can go watch that and learn more about recycling and just other little tips to contribute to help the environment. So jumping right into these tips and zero waste products, the very first thing I want to start off with, to start your zero waste life journey, it's really important to just use up what it is you're trying to replace with something zero waste in the first place. That sounded so, like, not rhymey, but like cluttered. So it would be a little backwards if you just threw out whatever it was you wanted to replace with a zero waste item instead of just using it up. So jumping right into this, I'm going to tell you guys right now, your best friend for finding a lot of zero waste products for cheap is going to be Amazon. I've gotten pretty much nearly everything that I use that is a zero waste product from Amazon. So I'm literally just going to leave linked below in the description a ton of links that I find. Even if I forget to mention them in the video, you could just find everything in the description. But literally, I have it pulled up on my laptop right now. You can just go on Amazon, type in zero waste products. There's so many. I'm gonna let you take the time to go through the reviews, compare and contrast everything, but there's just so many. So definitely start there. And I think a really big misconception about living a zero waste lifestyle is that it's really expensive. But like, you're buying an item that you're only gonna buy one time because you reuse it. So like, it ends up saving you a lot of money. So throw out that misconception if you are thinking it, because yeah, it's gonna be pretty pricey if you buy everything in bulk all at once, like one whole Amazon order of like 10 zero waste products. Like, duh, that's gonna be expensive. But you're not gonna buy whatever that item is replacing anymore. It's a one-time purchase, so you're actually gonna end up saving money in the long haul. And when it comes to certain zero waste items, if you use them at certain retailers, you actually get rewarded and get discounted for using a zero waste item, like at Starbucks or Target or other like coffee shops and little things like that. So it's a win-win, really. Like, there's no reason not to do it, you know? So jumping into the basics is just grocery bags. Reusable grocery bags are so essential. I've been using them for years, and literally some of them you don't even have to buy. There are certain retailers that actually will give you a reusable bag as your bag for whatever it is you're purchasing, like at Lululemon, Urban Outfitters. There's probably a lot more that I'm trying to think of right now. And also when you're grocery shopping, a lot, if not at this point, all grocery stores have their version of a little zero waste reusable grocery bag right at the checkout for like $1. And a lot of people will say like, oh, I always forget them. No, I always leave all of my grocery bags in my car. I unload my groceries, leave my bags right by the door. I just stuff them all into like the biggest one, you know, to condense it. And I leave it by the door, so next time I go to my car, I grab it and I put it in my car like immediately. So throw that excuse out the window. No excuses here. And then also with that is reusable produce bags. So you know the awful silly little plastic bags in the produce section to put your apples in, your avocados, your lemons, whatever it is you're eating. Yeah, they make reusable ones of those.
It's amazing.
So a lot of these do have to do with like kitchen products, because if you think about it, a lot of the items in your kitchen and just everyday use are like throwaway items. They're not reusable at all. So I've also found on Amazon that you can get reusable sponges, because sponges are not recyclable or anything and they don't really decompose. Reusable Ziploc bags, because Ziploc bags are so awful. I have like my little versions of reusable Ziploc bags, so you never have to buy those stupid and expensive Ziploc bags again. Sorry, not sorry Ziploc, but you guys suck. And you can get different glassware like Pyrex.
Pyrex is awesome.
I think everyone should be using Pyrex. It's just like really, really nice food storage, you know, for those leftovers if you made like a bomb dinner. Put it in some Pyrex. It's amazing. It feels nice, looks nice, it's reusable. I love Pyrex. Huge Pyrex girl. Also, another thing with the kitchen is paper towels. Stop using paper towels. It's so stupid. I've never really understood paper towels. Like, if there's a perfectly good kitchen towel right there hanging on the handle of the stove, but you go for a paper towel to clean up a spill this big, like, I just don't. I can't compute. I don't understand. And also the thing with kitchen towels, yeah, they get nasty really fast. But do you do like your laundry like once a week? It doesn't make a difference. Throw your kitchen towel in with your laundry, like, and boom, it's clean and it's reusable. Woo, you know. So now going into the more bathroom stuff. I've started using shampoo bars, and the shampoo bar that I got specifically was from Lush, and I really, really enjoy it. I honestly don't know if it would work with my hair. Like back when I had really long hair, I probably would take like freaking 30-minute showers trying to wash my entire head, because I have a lot of hair. Now that I have short hair, my shampoo bar really works like super, super well, and I have very sensitive skin. I have psoriasis, and it just actually really, really works well with my hair and my skin, because Lush uses all natural ingredients. And also you can get the metal stainless steel tin from Lush as well. Bring that back into the store, put your new one in there, and so you don't have to use plastic shampoo bottles or anything. It's a great thing. It lasts for like 100 washes. Like that's a lot of scrubbing up there, you know? And it actually lathers very well. 10 out of 10, recommend to a friend. Also with that is soap bars, you know, bars of soap. Use a bar of soap instead of getting body wash in a bottle. It's as simple as that. And also, while I'm talking about Lush, they have a great program. It's their 5-pop program. So you hold on to 5 of their little containers and bring them back in the store, and then you get like a free lotion or something like that. I love Lush. They're a very, very, very eco-friendly company. I highly recommend to check out Lush. Also in the bathroom, toothbrushes. Toothbrushes are so awful. Like, and I was one of those people that never really realized how many toothbrushes end up in landfills, like, because they're also something that's not really recyclable at all. So I've been using a bamboo toothbrush. I actually got mine from Target. I think it works great because bamboo is biodegradable, so you don't have to worry about it just sitting in a landfill and never decomposing in a million years, because plastic does not decompose. If you're new here, yeah, plastic sucks. And then also there are companies that make dissolvable toothpaste as well. So you can go as far as ditching your tubes of toothpaste and get dissolvable toothpaste. That's like the next thing on my list. That and glass containers of floss, because they make eco-friendly floss in glass containers, because glass is a lot more recyclable than certain plastics. Plastic is just weird, like some of it's recyclable, some of it's not. Also, if you haven't gotten the memo yet, a lot of companies and just retailers and everything make metal straws, because if you guys didn't know from the straw craze, straws aren't recyclable and they get stuck in poor turtles' noses and all of that stuff, and it's just really bad. And you might think, oh, it's just one straw, oh, it's just one water bottle, oh, it's just one whatever it is. But times that by how many billion people are there on this earth? Never think that your contribution isn't doing anything, because every single person's actions count towards helping the environment and everything. So I just wanted to say that real quick, because that's really, really, really important. Alright, and I can feel this video just getting really long. Bulk of this stuff is going to be in the description, like I said before, but I also wanted to just emphasize how much I love my tumbler. This has got to be one of the most useful purchases I've ever had, except for also my hydro flask. I love a good stainless steel, aluminum, whatever metal it is, reusable liquid container. Also, look at my cute sticker. It says recycle, damn it. Anyways, yeah, so a reusable tumbler. This one is specifically a Starbucks one, if you can kind of see the emblem on here. So if you guys didn't know, Starbucks will give you 10 cents off when you use a reusable tumbler. It's not a lot. Honestly, Starbucks, I think you could do more. It's the environment. Come on now. You know, it's something, and you're saving a cup, you're saving a lid, you're saving a straw. So I think it's something. A lot of other coffee shops do the same thing. I know the Human Bean, if you've ever heard of them, they do 10 cents off as well. So just, you know, try going to whatever coffee shop you go to day to day, whether it's Starbucks or not, and bring a reusable tumbler and just be like, hey, this might not be the correct size, but can you just put my coffee in it? And you know, if they say no, just they must hate the environment or something, I don't know. So I'm just gonna wrap this up right here. I know there's a lot more zero waste products out there than I mentioned in this video, but these ones are just kind of the big ones, the highlights, the day-to-day that you can start implementing into your daily lifestyle. You know, it does get some taking used to, you know, people are really reluctant to change, but this is good, positive change that your impact could help change the world. I hope this video inspired you. I hope it helped educate you. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description. You know, have yourself a zero waste product haul. Tell me all about it. You know, I would love to see it. If you get a lot of products, post it on Instagram, tag me in it. I want to see it. I love it. I'm about it. I'm here for it. Alright, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I will see you in my next video. Okay, I love you. Bye guys.